Once again, High Level is ratcheting things up, and they've come out here recently with a new forms update. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you where to find the forms, how to activate them to turn them on, and how to use them in your business, and how I use them in my business to help other business owners and my business itself. All right, so first off, here in the left, you got to make sure that you have the forms tab on. So you would go down here into settings, and you have to go to here on the far left. You're going to go into labs. All right. Now in labs, this is where the stuff that will be soon updated no matter what into high level is coming. And it's kind of like a pre-beta type area. But you can see here, like this is coming in 14 days. My staff V2, 14 days, and then brand new funnel builder, and then enhanced email builder. And right here is where you find revamped form builder. Now you got to make sure you turn this on. And then when you turn it on, you will have access to the new form builder. And this will be live and no matter what here in the future. So if you see this video later, it could be already in your high level system. So once you're done there, you want to go back, and then you will go to sites is where you're going to find your forms. And then you go up here to the forms tab and you go into the builder part. Okay. Now here's the really cool thing about what they've even done with the form builder. You can literally share this form anywhere in high level, like to all your business accounts, right? So you could go in there and share it. If you have a form that you like, you want to put it in somewhere else, then you can share it there in that system or that account. So that's a super cool feature. They're always making stuff easier here at high level. I just love it. I've used CRMs forever in the past, and it's nice to have just the advancements in technology, what this does. So you want to click add form up here when you want to start your form. You're going to choose a template, and then you're just going to see in here, just like you do with all the websites, they have templates for everything, right? Automotive, financial, health and wellness, holidays. So I'm just going to click on one here and go through it with you. Doesn't really matter. You can preview them just like you can with the other stuff. And we'll hit continue. Then it's going to add the template here for you. And once that's all up, now you have a form template here that you can use quickly. It's already pre-built out for you. And you can either add what you like or take out what you don't like. Say like you want to change this photo here, right? So then you would go in here and you could change the size of this if you wanted. You could do 200, you could shrink it, you could delete it, make it back to normal. If you like, you could delete it and put in a new image. And that's the cool thing now, like everything here is on the left, the quick add. So let's just say I want to add a different image in here and make it better, right? So I'm going to grab the image, I'm going to bring it up here, and then I can choose anything on file. And I could choose, let's just do something here. I'm going to do my shackled image, and it's going to upload that image in here. And then again, I can shrink it or make it bigger, which is nice, here. So in the past, you couldn't do that. It was a little wonky and it was just weird. So it's nice that they fixed all that. So you can add images. Let's just say that you want to add a custom field. All right. So the cool thing about this now is you can go to custom fields and say you need to add, second, address or something like that. Well, you don't have in a quick add, you don't have regular, second address in here. But you could go to custom fields and you can go in here and click add custom field, and you can add a single line and go in here and add your custom fields for a second address, right? You can do multi-line, you can do a text box. Whereas before in the older system, you used to have to jump out and build this and then bring it in. Now you can do it all in the builder, which is super cool. It didn't used to be that way. So it's super nice. Those of you that are new, this is huge, right? And then once you have the field that you want, all you have to do is just drag it and bring it in where you want. And then you're all set. If you want to add with now these days with the texting, if you want to put in, you have to with the A2P, boom. Now they have with the TNC, I confirm that I want to receive these messages, and that's in there, and you're covered there as well. Before you had to make your own manual one, or you can still do that. You can change the wording in here as well to make the verbiage look how you want. So that's super nice. That's in there now. You don't have to make your own, whereas you used to have to. You can add a CAPTCHA if you like, so that people know it's not a robot. Super nice to have that. There's also some really cool features here that you can actually, a lot of people may or may not know this, but you can actually get a signature on a form. So I've used this in my business, that if I need somebody to sign off, like a client or something, that they receive something, I can actually add a signature to a form, and then they actually have to sign on their phone, and then that signature goes into the contact and shows that they actually signed the form. So again, next level stuff that's really, really cool here. Now, when you have the form here on the right, you do have options. You can change border colors, shadows. You can do anything you ever really want with this. What's nice about these forms now is if you have a client that just wants to make a quick form, let's say for like an event, you're going to an event, there's going to be a lot of people, and you just want a quick opt-in, and you don't want to build out like a landing page so you have all this stuff. Well, with forms now, you can actually just go in here and you can build something out quick, like looks like a landing page, but you don't have all the headache with it, right? You could just few clicks, have everything up, you have your link, and then you can put that into a QR code. QR code goes to that. You're at an event, they scan it, brings up the form, and they can just opt in. And this is how I use these forms a lot with my clients, is quick sign-ins at events, or even anywhere where you would have people sign in and you just need something quick and fast. You don't need to build a landing page, but you can build a form that looks really good, clean and detailed. It's branded to the business, and then you get the action in the lead and all the information just how you want. Now, going off of that, building something similar to landing page, like here's how quickly you could build something. You could just throw that background image. So if you wanted to, again, that quick landing page concept, that when you add that, boom, you have that background. And now it looks like you have this landing page like any other landing page built before, but just with the quick form, and you didn't spend hours building out some huge page. All you had to do is just upload your image, and now you got a professional looking landing page, basically, that took minutes to make. Now, if you want to change options, like where they go afterward, you're going to click under options, and then you can send them, open a URL, or you could just make it really easy and just type in a message, and then they just get a thank you message once they've opted in. So if you're just doing something quick and easy, that's a really good way just to do that without having to set up a whole nother page or anything like that. Now, you want to make sure you got sticky content on, because then what that does is if they enter in all their information on a previous page and then they come here, all that will have come in. So it's always nice to have sticky content, because then it transfers all the information over. Now, let's say you want to integrate this in somewhere on a website, then you hit up here, you hit integrate, and then you can do it like a sticky sidebar, a polite slide in, pop up, inline, and then you can copy the embed code, or you could copy the link and paste the link in depending on where you have it and stuff. So you can put this in anywhere that you want into any software, any page, things like that, and make sure that your caption leads that go directly into high level, and you're all set. And then if you want to preview, you just hit the preview, and you can see how it's going to look when it's live. And you can see here, you can make it look into a quick, landing page very easily and without a whole lot of hassle. And with the small video, any client could do this with no problem. And that's it. Once you have all this stuff figured out, you can build quick landing pages, no problem. Set up forms for your clients at events, making everything super easy, already pre-made. So all the headache is taken out. Again, they're just making things simpler and simpler on you to be able to give you success in your business these days. If you don't have a Go High Level account and you're thinking about joining, I have an affiliate link down below to where you can sign up and get a 14-day free trial. I also have a free course that'll show you step-by-step how to set your high-level account up and get things ready to rock and roll so you can have success. I also have a Facebook group. If you like, join in there and say hi. I appreciate you guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.